Hello! Let's find out how to use a Rotahaler. It's a widely used product in India. It's a simple process. You only need to remember is insert, rotate and inhale. Rotahaler consists of these parts: a mouthpiece, a Rotacap hole, fin and base. Let's get going. Start by inserting the Rotacap into the square hole with the transparent end facing downwards. Now press the Rotacap firmly until it's level with the top of the hole. Hold the mouthpiece with one hand and firmly rotate the base. You'll notice the fin separating the Rotacap into two parts, visible through the clear Rotahaler. Voila! It's ready to use. Sit straight or stand upright. Breathe out fully through your mouth. Place the mouthpiece of the Rotahaler between your teeth and close your lips tightly around it. Tilt your head slightly backward. Inhale rapidly and deeply as you can. Remove the Rotahaler from your mouth and hold the breath for just about 10 seconds or as long as you are comfortable, and then breathe out normally. If you find some powder still left inside the Rotahaler, repeat the above procedure to take a second inhalation. If another dose is required, insert a new Rotacap into the Rotacap hole. This will push out the empty Rotacap remaining in the Rotacap hole. Repeat the same steps as mentioned earlier and put the two halves of the Rotahaler back together after getting rid of the empty Rotacaps. That's it. Wasn't it simple? Insert, rotate and inhale. Important instructions. After taking each dose, rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. Clean the Rotahaler at least once a week. Separate the two halves of Rotahaler and rinse it in clean running water. Shake well to remove the excess water and leave it to air dry. It is recommended to use a new Rotahaler every 6 months. For more information on product refer pack insert or log on to breathefree.com, or you can call on 987 333 5577.